Hi, I'm Fredrik. I'm from Team Sharkbite Sweden. Today we're on the west coast of Sweden, and as you know, there's a lot of barnacles everywhere where there's salt water, and they're real difficult to get rid of, and they can be real stubborn. I'm going to show you how to work with Sharkbite Barnacle Remover. It's real easy. You spray on, wait, and then you hose off. You may gonna have to repeat that process a couple of times if they're really stubborn. This is a brass propeller. It's got suction marks all over it, and yeah, starting. Okay, we're done. Have a great boat summer.